Liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery with the Hubble Space Telescope, our window on the universe.
Mission Control, Houston.
All program. Discovery, your go for a miracle disconnect.
Liftoff of the Space Shuttle Endeavour on an ambitious mission to service the Hubble Space Telescope.
We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Discovery now on its way to service NASA's Hubble Space Telescope.
And liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery. Liftoff of Space Shuttle Columbia.
Liftoff of Space Shuttle Columbia. Final bit against the vision of Hubble, the deepest grandeur of our universe.